recording? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Have always experienced, sorry. Right. Have always had experiences in public speaking. However, since doing this course, have learned a lot and have sharpened my communication skills. I once was easily flustered. I had always had challenges of thinking on the spot whenever a question is thrown at me. That has caused me to lose my line or miss the main point, hence not carrying out the message effectively or how I expected my audience to perceive it. Even though it happens to many or the best of speakers, I used to shake a lot due to nervousness. So what I would do is to do a lot of inappropriate hand movements. I took a few steps down memory lane and I've realized some of my weaknesses and my strengths. My special occasion speech was fairly done, even though I used far less time than I was expected to. At that time, I felt very confident because it was not done in a class setting, but that was much a shorter presentation than the informative speech. In that speech, time was against me. My transitions were ineffective, and I was a bit flustered. Furthermore, doing this course, I had problems connecting with my audience, but in my informative speech, I demonstrated a fair level of interaction with my audience. After my presentation, I see where I have grown in my persuasive speech. I would say I crossed most of my T's and dot most of my I's. At this time, my writing skills have developed as my transitions were clearer. My speech was organized well. I finished on time. At no point in time I was flustered, but there is still room for improvement, which of course will come with more practice. Moreover, my major in social work as a profession aims at interaction, as in one has to interact, you have to do a lot of public speaking. Hence, it is imperative for me to develop and integrate what I have learned from this course in not only my other courses of study, but also in the social work field. I also want to thank Mrs. Ralna Simmonds for her encouragement and her guidance throughout this course, because without her, we would not have known a lot of things about communication. For instance, or posture, gestures, eye contacts, and also not to hold on the lectern because usually would lean over and read. Thank you very much. And that's it, I thank you.